Congress leader RPN Singh today attacked the BJP-led centre for not taking action against External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj. RPN Singh also reacted to BJP MP Kirti Azad's statements that the Finance Minister Arun Jaitley should also be probed in link with the case to expose tax evasion and corruption.
Congress has been maintaining right from the beginning. The BJP were the great champions of getting black money back to this country. There were great election promises made. Black money hasn't come, but the Prime Minister has not opened his mouth concerning all the allegations and all the proof that has been given against the corruption taking part in his own government. It is time that the Prime Minister came forward and explained and took some action. Forget taking any action. He has not even opened his mouth. I think when is he going to break his Maun Vrat? We all waiting for that. Finger pointing by the BJP itself, which is a grave charge. I think the Prime Minister and the ministers who the charges are being brought upon should make some statements and come forward and clarify to the nation. They were very fast on making accusations against UPA ministers. When the same thing comes around to them, why are they not taking any action? It is time that the Prime Minister took action. He walked the talk.
The Congress leader also hit out at BJP General Secretary Ram Madhav for raising questions through Twitter over Vice President Hamid Ansari's absence from the Yoga Day event.
राम माधव जी को ट्वीट हटाने के वजह माफ़ी मांगनी चाहिए कि उपराष्ट्रपति के साथ क्या ये सरकार इस तरह का सलूक करेगा। योगा का मतलब होता है कि सबको साथ ले चलने का। भारतीय जनता पार्टी कहती है कि ये योग ऐसा है कि सबको साथ ले चलने का, और यही मतलब योग का होता है। पर उनकी जो मानसिकता है, ऐसे ट्वीटों से, ऐसे जब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बड़े पदों को भी वो अपमानित करते हैं, तो उनकी सोच के बारे में पूरा देश की जानकारी होता है। और योग जो सबको साथ ले चलने की बात है, अपनी मानसिकता से उस योग को भी धूमिल करना चाहते हैं।
Powered by NNIS.